Hi friends, my name is Nilendra and today we are going to prepare the Shahi Paneer. So here are the things that we have to add to make the gravy. So now I'm going to start. So this is the pan in which we are going to prepare the, the raw gravy first. So I'll let you know. So as you see that I just put the tomatoes in it, keeping the flame as low. And as I told you that we are going to prepare a raw gravy. So first of all we will have to put the stuffs like this directly into the pan and keep the flame little low. And the purpose of this is to make these all things to be little crush. Now you can see that the flame is low and I just put all these things. You can chop the onions in more small pieces if you want, but as I told you that this is just a raw gravy, so just don't worry about it. After this gravy is going to be prepared, anyway we have to just crush this inside the jar, in the mixer jar. So I am putting all these things, the cashews and the badams, and you can see the kismish and the garam masala is there, salt and everything. So I am going to just put this all together. So as you can see that I just put all the things together, and instead of oil I am using the butter. If you want you can use the oil as well. We have the oil so we can use it, but I don't want to use it. Instead of that I am using the butter. So let's see. Now after doing this you will have to wait for around 20 to 25 minutes, and just to create this raw gravy we have to wait and put the flames little low. Let's see now. So you have to cover it for around 25 minutes. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं it's been now 25 minutes down, and now I'm going to remove this plate and let's see. तो मैंने प्लेट हटाई है, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जो हम रॉ ग्रेवी बना रहे थे ये कितना सॉफ्ट बन गया है. जो कैशेस वगैरह भी हैं वो आप देखेंगे तो देखिए ईजिली है ब्रेक हो जा रहे हैं, सॉफ्ट हो गए हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. दिख रहा है कैसे कट हो गया ईजिली. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू नेक्स्ट, सो वी आर जस्ट going to off this first. After that we are going to put all these raw material into this jar, and we are using the mixer to do the rest of the work. But before going to do that, you can just remove all these things, these leaves. Okay, these are the khada masalas which is actually not required right now, so you can remove all these things. So as you can see that I just create a paste of this raw material by using the mixer. So I am now going to put this inside this particular vessel. So as you can see that I put it inside this particular vessel, and I am going to mix the rest of the raw material which is left now. So again I am going to do the same process by putting this raw material inside this vessel, and let's see. So as you can see that now the gravy is completely prepared. Now we are going to just fry this paneer in this vessel. So let's see. So again what I did, I put the butter, keep the flame little low, and now I am going to put all these paneer cubes in this vessel. So as you see we are going to fry these particular paneer cubes. Not only this, I'm going to put these mirch as well. This is something which depends on you. If you want to use, you can, otherwise leave it. After this, you have to add some haldi. Now you will have to do this process for at least 5 minutes, and now you can add some salt as per your taste. Okay, now the 5 minutes are down, so we are going to put this gravy which we created in it. So now, as you can see, that most of the things are prepared now. We have to put it in low flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So we have to put it for like 5 minutes around. After that, we are just putting the cheese, and that is again optional, it depends on you. So now 5 minutes are down, so I just removed the plate again. Now you can see the meal is prepared now. We only have to put the cheese on top of it. So now I'm going to stop the flame. So now I'm going to just put some cheese on top of it. So now you can see that the meal is not prepared completely. So it's ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching it.